What is avian flu? Avian flu or bird flu is a type of influenza caused by viruses found in birds. The flu is similar to those that infect dogs, pigs, and humans. Thanks for joining us. Consider following Dynamic Earth Learning for more earth science, conservation, and sustainability topics. And visit our website dynamicearthlearning.com for teacher resources, videos, and environmental e-learning courses. The U.S. Department of Agriculture recently reported avian flu 2022 deaths to be over 22.8 million. As of Q1 of 2022, more than 20 U.S. states are dealing with bird flu outbreaks. What causes avian flu? An infection present in wild aquatic birds causes avian flu. This type A influenza spreads from wild birds to poultry. Most poultry birds can spread the flu to other animals and humans if infected. Unsanitary handling of sick birds usually causes bird flu infections in humans. Open-air markets of poultry is another major cause of bird flu infections. What are common avian flu symptoms? Avian flu shows different symptoms in animals and humans. Symptoms of bird flu in birds and humans are different. Common avian flu chicken symptoms. The most common bird flu symptoms in chickens include swollen head, blue comb and wattle, low egg production, respiratory illness, diarrhea. Common avian flu symptoms in humans. Main symptoms of bird flu in humans are shortness of breath, cough, red eye infection, abdominal pain, seizures, fever, pneumonia, respiratory problems, sore throat, muscle ache, headache. Most symptoms of bird flu in humans become obvious at a late stage. Currently, several types of bird flu do not affect humans. However, these strains are deadly to most domestic birds. How does avian flu spread? Bird-to-bird contact. Avian flu quickly spreads from infected to healthy birds, even with short-term contact. Infected birds easily transmit avian flu across the entire flock. Bird-to-human contact. Avian influenza spreads to humans when they handle unhealthy birds. Humans could get infected with avian flu during the slaughtering of infected birds. Avian flu also spreads from birds to humans when people get exposed to droppings of infected birds. A human-to-human contact. Long contact with a person infected with avian flu is a major spreader of the virus among humans. A poultry trades. Avian flu spreads through illegal and legal poultry trades from Asia to Europe. Major poultry trade routes transmit avian flu among different bird and animal species. Avian flu in humans, major stats. 6 out of 10 humans infected with the H5N1 virus are likely to die. Currently, H5N1 and H7N9 are the two most dangerous avian flu strains to humans. Mortality rates among people diagnosed with H5N1 is over 50%. While H7N9 mortality is over 35%. 4 continents have recorded avian flu outbreaks among humans since 1996. Is there a vaccine for avian flu? Vaccines for humans. In 2007, the Food and Drug Administration approved a vaccine that prevents bird flu infection. Only the U.S. government currently has access to stockpiles of this vaccine. The Center for Disease Control in the U.S. recommends oseltamivir and zanamivir to prevent and treat avian flu infections. Currently, no vaccine exists to protect humans against H7N9 avian flu. Vaccines for birds. The World Health Organization recommends QI01AA23 and QI01CL01 vaccines for treating avian flu in birds. What are the steps to prevent avian flu spread and infection? Several preventive measures are effective in containing the spread of avian flu. These steps include the following. Isolate poultry from contact with wild birds. Poultry operators should protect birds from contact with outside animals. Birds in slaughter channels should never return to the farm. Regular disinfection of poultry transport vehicles. Poultry farms should not share transport vehicles to avoid spreading the flu. People at risk of bird flu infection should use the correct protective equipment. A proper handling of poultry during and after slaughter helps prevent avian flu infection. A thorough hand washing after touching uncooked poultry birds. 165 deg F proper heating of poultry meat and eggs for consumption. Thanks for joining us. Consider following Dynamic Earth Learning for more earth science, conservation, and sustainability topics. And visit our website dynamicearthlearning.com for teacher resources, videos, and environmental e-learning courses.